What's up, guys? Why am I in the recorder screen? Because I'm gonna give you a tutorial how I recommend this recorder app, because if you have a webcam and you want to use it, I prefer this one, OBS Studio. OBS Studio, and then find that, and then you're probably gonna be the first time you say, like, if you download it and then you go into it, right here it's gonna be pitch black for you, right? All you need to do is just go to the add button right here, and then display capture, and then it will go and you'll see your screen. And then if you have a webcam, you can do right here, video capture device, and then you can move it all around anywhere you want. So yeah, you can start a stream where you have to like connect it to whatever, like TikTok, I think it's TikTok, or Instagram, YouTube, and this is the start recording. And I recommend putting, go to settings and go to hotkeys, and I put the recording at 1 and then 2, because when you're in a game, you can press 1, whatever key you want to do, and then if you press it, you can start record, and then whatever one you want, I press 2, and then I'll stop it. You can just do all of them. I don't really want to use those right now. So yeah, so that's good. And I'm gonna go to browser, and I'm gonna go to new file, and then OBS Studio download. You put that in, and then you go right here, and then you should see this. You can do it on Mac, and Windows. It'll work on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I have a Windows 11, so you can just do that, and then it'll work. And then if you download it, and then you go in here, and then remember what I showed you, display capture, and then if you want to put your camera right there, you can do that. I don't know, you can just put you can put even an image you want to. So hopefully this tutorial helped you out on you're probably gonna be like, I don't know which recorder app is good for me, so you can put my camera and my screen and play without lagging and like loading. You know, I used to use the snipping tool, but I do not recommend that. Why? Because when you go into like Fortnite will work. I don't know about Apex, but if I went in Minecraft and then it like went to the loading screen, when you like go into a game or loading into Minecraft, it will just do that, and it will do there for the full video. So I recommend this. It will work on Minecraft, Apex, Fortnite, whatever game. So I recommend this. It's a pretty good experience what I had. And when you want to like, I don't know where to drop my folder into the video so you can upload the videos. So you go to files and show recordings. You'll go to here, and whatever it'll show you there.
OMG!
Please stop, I'm doing a tutorial here. So yeah, guys. So that is a recommended recorder app. So see you guys in the next tutorial if I even make it. Bye bye.